Hello everyone! The lesson that we are about to tackle this day is about multiplying a binomial by a binomial using FOIL method. FOIL method is just one of the different ways or methods in multiplying a binomial by a binomial. But now, let's just focus on the FOIL method. FOIL method here is just an acronym where F stands for the first terms or the product of the first terms, and O stands for the product of the outer terms, where I will also stand for the product of the inner terms, and L is the product of the last terms. As an illustration, I have here the quantity A plus B and quantity C plus D, where A and C are the first terms, A and D are the outer terms, B and C are the inner terms, and B and D are the last terms. And when you add the first term, and when you multiply the first terms A and C, which will have a product AC, and the outer terms AD, and the product of it is AD, and inner terms B and C, and the product of it will be BC, and the last terms are BD, and the product of it will be BD. And then as an answer, AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. And if necessary, add the outer terms and inner terms, if and only if they have the similar terms. Another example, x plus 2, quantity x plus 2 times quantity x plus 1, where x and x are the first terms, x and 1 as an outer terms, 2 and x as an inner terms, and 2 and 1 as the last terms. And where first terms are the x and x, the product of it will become x squared. The outer terms were 1 and x, if you multiply it, will have a product of x. And the inner terms, 2 and x, will have a product of 2x. And the last terms, which are 2 and 1, and the product of it will become 2. And as an answer, x squared plus x plus 2x plus 2. And you will notice the outer terms and inner terms are similar, so you can add it. So as an answer, as a final answer, we will have an x squared plus 3x plus 2. That's all. I hope you learned.